Forgive me this time.
Can you hear me all right?
Okay, you're good.
Wow. I can't tell me. You know, year after year I get to come to this camp and do what they're called, and I just appreciate your support and the art. And you know, I think, you know, the advent of reality TV and whatnot, you know, I think I kind of owe it to you to kind of take you behind the scenes. Because, I mean, generally, you get to see the end product, you know, the call, as they say. And you don't get to see what goes into it. So I thought I'd share some of that with you.
I get it. I get your picture.
There's the low tones that I work on. They go like this. There's the higher tones that I work on. They go like this. The middle tones, of course, they go like the high one, but lower. and so you can pull all this together into the call. If you live in Minnesota now, the Western Metal Art, actually, is a bird of Minnesota. And that also being the state bird of Nebraska.
Yeah.
I want to share with you. So, bringing all the behind the scenes,